Hello children, in the previous classes we studied areas of sector and segment, area of major sector and major segment. Also we discussed the length of an arc of a sector and we know how to find the perimeter of a sector. Did you study these formulas? I hope that you are doing well, and you should write and study each formula at least 3 times. Today we will discuss about few more questions in that exercise. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So there will be when you observe this figure, you can see a round table cover is given for you. It has divided into 6 equal, or that table cover has 6 equal designs. We want to find the cost of making that designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So first of all, we want to know the area of that design, each design. We can see that this design is in the shape of a segment of a circle. That means you want to find the area of the segment of the circle. So how do you find the segment of the circle? In earlier classes we study how to find the segment of a circle. And when you join the radii of the circle, if this is the center, you can join the radii. Center, you can mark it as O, and the chord of this endpoints of the chord, you can mark it as A and B, and one point you can mark it on the arc. So we want to find the area of the segment APB. How do you find the area of the segment? That means area of the sector minus area of this corresponding triangle AOB. So we can write area of one design. Area of one design, that is equal to area of a sector, or area of the sector OAPB minus area of corresponding triangle, area of triangle AOB. This is the sector of the circle. From this sector's area, if you subtract the area of this triangle, then you will get the area of the segment. So that is equal to, what is the area of the sector? We know that area of the sector is equal to, what is the formula? All of you say loudly. Area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of a triangle AOB. Here it's given for you a table cover has 6 equal designs. That means that a circular table cover is divided into 6 equal parts. The total angle is 360. So that is divided into 6 equal parts. Then what will be the angle of the sector? We know that total angle is 360, that is divided into 6 equal parts. So 360 by 6, that is equal to 60. So angle of each sector is equal to 60 degree. So now we know the angle of the sector, and it's given for you the radius of the cover. The radius of cover is 28 centimeters. So radius also you know it, that is 28 centimeter. And what type of triangle is this? One of the angle is 60 degree. AO and BO are the isosceles triangle. equal sides, so it is an isosceles triangle, then these base angles are equal. So one of the angle is 60, then each angle will be 60 and 60. So it is an equilateral triangle. What is the area of an equilateral triangle? It is root 3 by 4a square. So theta by 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4a square. What is the length of the equilateral triangle? Length of the side of equilateral triangle, that will be equal to the radius of the circle, that is 28 centimeter. So now we can substitute all values. We know what is theta, what is radius, and what is the side of a equilateral triangle. So you can substitute that is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 28 square, minus root 3 by 4 into 28 is the side of the equilateral triangle, so 28 all square. Now here's tens will be cancelled. In 60 by 36, 6 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 6. So here 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 28 whole square, we can write it as 28 into 28 minus root 3 by 4 into 28 into 28. That is equal to, you can cancel here, 7 4s are 28 and 2 is common factor, so here it is 3 and here it is 11. So 11 into 4 into 28 divided by 3 minus, here 4 7s are 28. So root 3, we can substitute the value of root 3 that is given for you. Use root 3 is equal to 1.7. So 1.7 into 7 into 28. So 11 into 4 into 28 into 3 is equal to 410.66 minus 1.7 into 7 into 28 is equal to 333.2. That is equal to 0.46 centimeter square. That is the area of one design. Area of one design. Such that how many designs are there? There are 6 equal designs are there. This is the area of one design. You want to find the area of the 6 designs. So area of 6 designs is equal to area of 6 designs is equal to 77.46 into 6. Sorry, area of 6 design is equal to 464.76 centimeter square. So you got the area of these 6 designs. But our question is, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So the total cost is equal to, total cost to make the design, making the design is equal to the total area into that cost. That means 464.76 into 0.35. That is equal to 162.66 rupees. You will get this much rupees, the cost to making the cost of this such 6 designs. Let us see the next question. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So you are familiar with this wiper's movement, and when its wiper moves, it forms a sector shape. It cleans the area of a sector as like a sector. So area cleaned by one wiper. Area cleaned by one area cleaned by one wiper is equal to area of the sector. Area of sector having radius 25 centimeter and angle 115 degree. So it's given for you the length of the blade is 25 centimeters. So the blade will be 25 centimeter length. It makes an 115 degree angle. So it's sweeping this much area. So it's form a sector shape. So that will be equal to area of sector having radius 35 and angle 115 degree in theta by 360 into pi r square, that is equal to 115 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius, that is 25 square, that is 25 into 25. So here you can cancel the common factors. Here 5 is the common factor, 72, and here 23, and again 72 and 22, there will be a common factor to 36 and 11. So when you multiply this, when you solve this, you will get 627.48 centimeters square. Area cleaned by one wiper equal to this much. So what is it? It's given for you there are two wipers which do not overlap. So area of one is this much. Then what is the area of cleaned by two wipers? That means total area is equal to 2 into area of each one. It is 627.48 centimeters square. That is equal to 1254.96 centimeters square. That is the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So today you have to note down these questions in your notebook. And today's your homework is exercise 12.2, question number 12 and question number 14. And today's your worksheet is write and study exercise 12.2. Except question number 7, all other questions you should write and study at least 2 times. I will call you randomly. That time you should show your notebook and rough book also. So study properly, study the formulas, and study how to find the area of a sector, how to find the area of a segment, different types of problems. You can practice it. Do it well. Thank you.